Something unusual is unfolding inside Iran's power structure. There is no speech, there is no public rally, no video, just the communication that is happening quietly through very carefully written letters. And at the center of this mystery is Mujtaba Khamenei, well, the one who is increasingly being seen as a key figure operating behind the scenes. But wait, instead of appearing in public, Mojtaba Khamenei is choosing a very different route: written communication. Well, one such secret letter has now surfaced, reportedly sent to Naim Qassem, a senior leader of Hezbollah. Well, this message is not just routine communication, it carries weight, it carries timing, it carries intent. According to reports, the contents of the letter they are very clear. Iran is not stepping back. It is reaffirming its support for what it calls the axis of resistance, basically a network of regional allies that stand against the United States and Israel. Well, this is more than just a statement, right? It's a signal that Iran's position remains firm despite the growing global pressure. But what makes this even more intruding is the pattern here. If you notice that, this is now the fourth message attributed to Mojtaba Khamenei since he assumed a more prominent role. And every single one it has delivered in writing. Well, there has been no public appearance, no speech, no recorded message. But wait, in a region where leadership is often displayed through very strong public presence, this silence that stands out, right? Naturally, this raises important question. Why avoid the public eye? Is this a calculated strategy to remain protected while still exercising your influence, or does it really point to a deeper uncertainties within the leadership structure? Ladies and gentlemen, in the times of conflict and rising tension, visibility often signals control, but invisibility can create speculation and doubt. And at the very same time, the message itself, it's strong, it's consistent. Iran is making it clear that its regional strategy has not changed. Support for allies like Hezbollah will continue regardless of any external pressure or evolving conflict dynamics. So this suggests ongoing coordination, planning, possibly preparation for future developments as well. And this is where the whole concern begins to grow. A written message sent to a very powerful regional ally, and that too at such a sensitive time, raises important question. Is this simply reassurance, or is it part of something larger being set in motion? In geopolitics, letters are rarely just words on paper. They carry instructions, warnings, signals of what may come next. And right now, the whole region is watching closely, not just what is being said, but also what is being left unsaid.